Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now the next topic to be discussed is nothing but the transition behavior for each operation on stack. As we have already seen that we have one input tape present, and on that input tape the input string is written. For reading every symbol on input tape we have header. For reading single symbol on input tape, we have to perform 3 steps in PDAs. That is, first we will read this symbol, then we have to perform any operation on stack, that is push or pop or no operation on stack. Then we have to move to right on input tape by one cell. Okay, so while reading single symbol on input tape, in case of PDA we have to perform 3 steps. Okay, so we will see what is mean by push operation in case of PDA and how these are executed on stack. Okay, so the syntax for push operation on stack is delta of q1 comma a comma b is equal to q2 comma ab. Okay, so here suppose you are in state q1 and now you are reading current input symbol as a. At that time suppose b is nothing but a top of stack. We have already seen this triplet in case of definition of PDA. Okay, so in this triplet, first is nothing but the current input state. The second symbol will represent current reading input symbol from input tape, and this third symbol will represent the top of the stack. So here the situation is what you are reading current input symbol A, and you are in state Q1 and top of the stack is B, and suppose we wish to perform push operation on stack, then we are going to state Q2, or this is our output state. The second symbol will represent current to topmost contents of the stack. Okay, so here the meaning of this whole transition means read the current input symbol A, and if the top of stack is B, and if you want to perform push operation, then that will be written as AB. So in the output pair this will be written as q2 comma ab. So and perform push operation on stack by replacing top of the stack with current input symbol. So now current input symbol will be added on the top because previous top was B, and now A will be pushed onto stack, so this will represent the current to top. Okay, so here is the situation explained. So we are reading what input symbol A, and the current top of stack is B. So after pushing A onto stack, we have current top as A, and this is the remaining stack condition. Okay, so here A, now current top is A, so here we will represent current to tops. Okay, so this was related to push operation, means in case of push operation here we have two symbols, then that can be used or that can be considered as a push operation. Now we will see how we can represent pop operation in case of PDA. So in case of PDA, suppose you are in state Q1 and you are reading current input symbol A. At that time suppose top of the stack is B, then you are moving to state Q1 and current top will be replaced by empty. Okay, so here current top was B, so that will get replaced by empty, means this B will be popped out from the stack. Okay, so read current input symbol A and the top of stack is suppose B before operation. Then if we wish to perform pop operation, then this B will get replaced with empty. Okay, so here we have represented the situation. We are reading current input symbol A, current top of stack is B, and if we wish to perform pop operation, then this B will get popped out and our next top is the next element of the top. Okay, so here B will be current top. Okay, means what, here B is replaced with empty. Okay, so this was related to pop operation. Now here we can see the difference if we have empty in this pair. Okay, in the in this pair, if we have empty as a second symbol, then that will represent the pop operation. Okay, we will see how to represent no operation in case of PDA. Okay, so situation will be same like you are reading current input symbol Q1. If you are in state Q1 and you are reading current input symbol A, top of stack is suppose B, and we wish to perform no operation, means I don't want to perform any operation, that is neither push nor pop on stack. Okay, so means we have only two kinds of operation, push and pop on stack, and we don't want to perform any operation on stack. Okay, so at that time no operation is performed, means we have to do nothing on stack, means we have to just read current input symbol from stack, and we just don't want to perform any operation on stack, and then move to write by one cell. That means the no operation. Okay, so there will not be any change in the contents of stack after the no operation performed on stack. Okay, so the situation will be like delta of Q1 comma A comma B, means we are in state Q1, we are reading input symbol A and top of stack is B, and we wish to perform suppose no operation, then that will represent Q2 comma B. So here this B will represent the same as the given B. Okay, means here we haven't changed the contents of stack, so this will remain same, this top will remain same as before. Okay, so here the content read current input symbol A, and if top of stack is B, and if we performed no operation on stack, then there will not be any kind of change in the contents of the stack after no performing no operation. Okay, so we can see the difference between these three, that is in case of no operation, as the output pair, the second symbol will represent a single symbol and that is not empty, then that will represent no operation. Okay, so means in case of push operation, the resultant pair second symbols will have the length 2, then that will represent push operation. If second symbol have length 1 and that one length symbol is empty and empty only, then that is nothing but the push operation. And in case of no operation, in the output pair, if we have second symbol as any other symbol than empty, then that will represent the no operation. Hope so you have understood how to perform push, pop and no operation on stack in case of PDA, and what are the transition behavior for each operations on stack. If you have any queries, then please comment on it, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.